Speaker tayo ngayon sa church, pero dahil muna tayo sa biniri. Pero kasi I feel like sleeping. Ito muna tayo ng coffee na bawal. Break some rules once in a while. By the way, salamat doon sa isa nating deliver na nag-send ng code para sa statement shirt. Isang deliver natin na nag-send ng statement shirt. Don't break rules, just break some walls, para something like that. Nagaling din naman doon. Take out cafe latte. The smallest. Take out. Okay, pag-usapan natin dito kahit nasa biniri tayo ang laundry business. Okay? Kausap ko kasi kahapon, was with Ma'am Joyce. Hi, Ma'am Joyce. Nag-usap kami tungkol sa aming magiging mga upcoming projects. So, isa sa mga projects namin ay magkaroon kami ng seminar. Okay? So, seminar on the how to start your laundry shop business. Okay? So, ano nga ba talaga yung simula? Alam nyo, sa dami naman na napapanood natin, nakikita natin, we miss one important step in putting up our laundry shop business. Marami nagsasabi, you need very good location. Well, kailangan talaga yun. Okay, you need capital, you need marketing, you need staff, you need people who will help you. Pero nalilimutan nila is trying to talk to some experts that they've been through that type of business and having a coach in doing such business. So, sometimes you need one coach para malesen na yung mga mistakes natin, malesen na yung time, effort, and even expenses. Okay? So, that's why nag-partner kami ni Ma'am Joyce para to guide lahat ng mga gustong mag-start ng laundry business. Okay? So, ang number one step mo talaga is to find your mentor. Find a coach na napatunayan niya na mahusay siya doon. Okay? So, you know, when I started my different businesses, lalo e-commerce, hindi kami personal nag-kausap ni Ty Lopez, pero yung business model niya talaga yung aking ginagaya. Yung kung paano siya nag-start, paano siya nakuha ng partnership, what is social media, what is e-commerce. So, everything nakuha ko nagana natin kay Ty Lopez. So, ngayon, na-lesson na yung aking mga, yung aking mga trial and error. Kasi na-prove niya na kaya, na pwedeng gawin eh. Okay? So, same with other businesses like laundry shop. Okay? So, pag nagkaroon ka ng laundry shop, bago ka mag-start, you talk to someone. And, eto na kami. Dumating na kami ni Ma'am Joyce. Dumating na kami ni Ma'am Joyce na we are ready to help you para sa iyong laundry shop business. And in line with that, we'll be having a seminar this July, I think 6, yeah, July 6, next month. Okay? 1 to 3 p.m. yan sa Robinsons, Pampanga, sa San Fernando, Pampanga, sa Il Padrino Coffee. So, see you there. Thank you, sir. May problema na po yan. May sugar na lang. May sugar na. Ha?
Splenda po ba sugar na?
Yeah,
or regular sugar?
Regular lang.
Ay po, regular.
Thank you. Okay. So, yun yung ating venue. Ang registration fee natin is only 2,500. So, for only 2,500, magkakaroon ka na ng knowledge how to start your own laundry shop, paano magtagumpay, what are the tools na ginamit ni Ma'am Joyce, bakit nagtagumpay ang kanyang Dr. Spin, ano yung mga marketing strategies niya. So, malalaman natin, okay? So, including sa financial aspect ng iyong negosyo, okay? So, see you sa July 6 sa Robinsons, Pampanga. 25 lang, mag-message ka sa akin, 0939-525-4311 or sa aking FB page, Dr. Gigi, Sunga, okay? So, So, una-unahan lang po kasi 20 slots lang ang available. Medyo maliit lang po ang venue. So, good for 20 slots lang. Okay? So, message ka na ngayon. Alright? So, please share this video sa lahat ng kaibigan mo na gusto mag-start ng kanyang laundry shop business. Alright? So, thank you very much, Gigi. Enjoy the rest of the day. Let's go, let's go.